On January 31st, Carnival marks the 6-month anniversary of service on the ship all cruise fans were waiting for, Mardi Gras. And while that wait went on longer than we'd all hoped because of the pandemic, Mardi Gras proved upon arrival it was worth it. The all-new ship has been wowing guests on every cruise since its first sailing.
Well, it's Mardi Gras, right? That means it's time to party. It's excitement, right?
Right, and this party packs in the most fun Carnival has to offer.
It is definitely a beautiful ship.
We feel safe on the ship. I mean, it's just, you don't have to worry about a thing. Everything is nice. The crew's nice. The passengers are always nice. And we just really enjoy cruising.
Beyond its exciting itinerary from Port Canaveral to the Caribbean, for many Carnival cruisers, Mardi Gras has offered a return trip to the way they love to vacation.
This is my first one since they've started back up, and we decided to go big and go on the Mardi Gras. So
Mardi Gras is decked out with something incredible for everyone, and guests are enjoying all of it.
We love the gambling on the ship. We like just everything.
And that includes, of course, the food. From Emerald's Bistro to Shaq's Big Chicken and so many more options.
I was at a different venue every time, and I think there's still 2 more I have to hit.
Mardi Gras is the first cruise ship in America powered by liquefied natural gas. That's just one of many innovations on board, which haven't gone unnoticed. USA Today's Reader's Choice Awards calls Mardi Gras the best new cruise ship. Woo! And the Bolt, the first roller coaster at sea, won an engineering award from Popular Science magazine. And already Bolt has taken guests on 30,000 rides. Woo! Momentum continues to build for Mardi Gras and all across Carnival Cruise Line. Since the comeback of cruising, Carnival sailed 400 voyages, serving nearly 1 million guests. By March, all 22 of Carnival's U.S. fleet will be back to guest operations and will soon be joined by sister ships to Mardi Gras. Carnival Celebration arrives to Miami this fall and Carnival Jubilee to Galveston in 2023.
Everybody's just happy, and that's a good feeling, especially in today's world. And it's just nice to go to a place that you know that you can just relax and have a good time, and Carnival does that for me.
They care, and they make changes. So my cruise from 10 years ago is not the same experience that I have right now. And so that's what I like about Carnival.
Something that doesn't change, though, whether aboard Mardi Gras or any Carnival cruise ship, the simple choice to relax and have fun. We'll take care of the rest.
We'll be back in July for another one on the Mardi Gras. Already booked.
Yes, already booked.